Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is a video log of our expedition onto Isla Nublar. I am Mark Slone. This is Caden Slone, aka Cliff Dweller and Catfish. We have been hired by InGen to come here to this island, the site of the tragedy of 2015 from the Jurassic World amusement park. Apparently, here on the island, one of the volcanoes has suddenly become active again, and they are very worried that it is going to blow up and potentially kill whatever animals still remain on the island. They have hired Slone's Wilderness Expeditions to come in ahead and do an inventory of what animals are still alive on the island. You may be wondering why they would have hired us to do this. Well, they've obviously seen our videos on wilderness survival, backcountry expertise, and of course Catfish's expertise on the dinosaur world. Right?
Yep.
Catfish has been given a device here tracking some of the dinosaurs in which have the tracking devices. Now, we have seen in the past that some dinosaurs are intelligent enough that they have dug out their own tracking devices, so we really don't know what is still on the island and still moving. So we are here to inventory that. We are going to try not to interfere whatsoever, and InGen is putting together a rescue mission right now to come here and hopefully rescue some of these animals before the island goes up. This is our video record of what we find here on the island. Are you ready for this, Catfish?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. You may wonder how Catfish and I are able to wander on this island without getting immediately ate up by some of the dinosaurs you know are here. Catfish, can you tell us?
Yeah, well, we collected some T-Rex urine and we spread it on ourselves to hide our scent, so we will be pretty much invisible to most dinosaurs.
Yep. We don't smell so good, but we're safe.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, this is a huge island. There's no way we're going to be able to track down every single creature. So Catfish here is rigging up some trail cams. Oh, I heard that beep for tracking. What do you got on there, bud?
Well, it seems like if InGen's information is correct, there should be a velociraptor nearby. It might be blue, but there's no guarantees.
Thought it'd have more feathers.
Well, this is Jurassic World.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, this looks like a crate from the old park. It might have been used to release the young into the wild.
That makes sense. I'm not sure which enclosure we're in right now. What do you think it might have been in there?
Maybe like a really young raptor, since we've been seeing a lot of the remnants lately.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a goat cage.
Oh, a feeder cage.
Yeah. Looks like we've came across a raptor egg. Means they probably have a nest here.
Those of you who have followed our channel know that we're explorers. We love exploring areas and seeing new ecosystems and habitats. So the chance to be here on Isla Nublar with its interesting habitat and of course really interesting wildlife is like a dream for us. What was that?
No idea.
Man, there's one animal that the T-Rex will scare away.
A T-Rex!
Did we lose it? Did we get away?
I think so.
Oh, what was that?
Must have scared away the T-Rex.
I thought this part got rid of all of those.
I guess not.
Apparently. Once again, I'm not so sure I trust this InGen. Well, while the Indominus and T-Rex duke it out, we're getting the heck out of that area. Just in case we don't want to be anywhere close to that, all we're here for is to make an inventory of the animals that are here. And we don't need no part of that, huh, buddy?
No.
All right. Uh-oh, do you have something on the tracker, buddy?
Well, it seems that straight north we have tracked a Spinosaurus.
Oh, sweet. I didn't realize they still had some living on here.
So they do travel in herds.
Sure looks like it. What kind of dinosaur is that? I don't recognize it, and it wasn't on our list of potential animals here.
Maybe, just maybe, it's another one of the hybrids.
Oh man, that InGen. I don't think InGen has been completely honest with us. Even the snakes have to avoid the dinosaurs on this island.
Sometimes we do get a little too close for comfort, and we pay for it.
What kind of micro dinosaur is this, buddy?
Duh, it's just a lizard.
Oh, he's dino bait. The smell of sulfur is awfully strong.
Yeah, I don't think this volcano is going to hold back much longer.
And we've got Trembler coming. Hey, come here. We've got to get hold of InGen. We got to get to the extraction point. We got to get out of this place before it blows.
Yeah.
That fish go. Man, we barely made it out of that. I am getting on the sat phone right now, and I'm calling InGen to get us out of here. It's not safe anymore. Okay, got a sat call connection now. Yeah, InGen, this is Slone's Wilderness. Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, you do? Okay, awesome. They have already got a transport on the way. Apparently, they're bringing a couple of experts. Owen Grady and Claire Deering, I believe was the names they said. But anyway, they're coming in, and as long as we make it to the extraction point in time, we're going to take their transport back out and get the heck out of here. I'm going to quickly upload all the footage we've got so far, and hopefully we make it out. All right? Let's get to the extraction point, buddy.